Hi boys and girls, welcome back. I'm happy to see you made it. Today, we're supposed to have a big party. We're looking for something to do. I have an idea. Boop, 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 boop. Yes, hello. I need a super fun game to play right now. Wow! Oh, look at this game. Chow Crown. Look at this guy on the back. Look at his face. That looks like a lot of fun. I think, so what you do is you get to take this and put it on your head, and then there's food hanging off the sides, and you have to try to eat it without using your hands. That sounds like a lot of fun. Let's unbox this. I got some tape on the side, just peel that off, that's pretty easy. Open her up and slide her out. Dun, 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 dun. Check out my crown. Look at this thing. This is ridiculous. So funny. So this is what you do. These right here are gonna spin around like this. And I have to try to eat all the snacks that I can while the music plays. And I have until the music stops to eat all of them. So check this out. Here it goes. Ow, ow. It's gonna be really hard. I don't know how. I can't wait till I get food on these things. All right, we have all the food attached to the hat. Let me spin it around a little bit so you can see what we got. That way, yeah. Okay, good. So now we're gonna start. I'm gonna push the button. Okay, 3, 2, 1, here I go. I can't get it. I got one. Oh, it's spicy. Why is it spicy? Oh my God, it's so spicy. I can't get it out of my mouth. I ate 2! Yay! 2 of them! Woohoo! All right, so now it's your turn. All right, now we're on to round 2. So now I'm blindfolded. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. I can't even tell where it is. I can get it. Oh, it's so sour. I got 1. Yay! Well, that was a lot of fun. I got to eat some weird things, and this game is super cool. So you should try this game at home with your parents or with your friends, and I'll see you next week. Remember, if you like what you saw, subscribe down at the button, push subscribe, and I'll see you all next week.
Tham gia nhiều khóa học thú vị tại Boss Kids Lên nhé!